I'm at the corner store in the hood, and they have Labubu's. You heard me. They have Labubu's, I think. I'm so scared. I hope this is not a scam. I really want a Labubu. I've been looking for them everywhere. The culprit, are they Labubu's or Lafufus? We finna find out. Tell me what y'all think. Should I buy one and try it out or not? I got one question. These are viral and they trending. They call Labubu's. Did you get these from Popmart? Did you get these from Popmart? How much do they cost? Those are $19.99. I think they fake, but I'm gonna try one. I'll buy one for the $19.99. I'm not sure about them ones, babe, because they look like the eyes will be drawn on by Sharpie, or that kids in a sweatshop made them. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. I bought this Labubu here earlier for $20, and it's fake.
Fake?
It's fake, and I want my money back. I went to the corner store today, and they had a Labubu, I think. We finna open it, though. Unbox it with me. So it is an edition with Coca-Cola, and you get 2 options. This would be the option that I would want, the one with the Coca-Cola bottle in it. Let's open it. I tried to make that aesthetic. Open the box. Oh, wow. Looked like it was held together with a hot glue gun. Y'all get to look in there before me. Oh, the packaging is really cute. Really cute packaging. Again, I'm opening and let y'all see first. Y'all tell me which one I got. Come on, be fair. Tell me which one I got. Don't hide it from me. Oh, y'all can see. Ah! It's the one with the Coca-Cola bottle, the one I wanted. It's the one I wanted, yes! Now, is it real, is the question. Let me examine it for a little bit. It looked like it's drawn on, it looked like the teeth missing right there. Look how the teeth looking on it. I'm not sure if this is real or fake. But however, it is cute, and I will be adding it to my bag. I'm back at the corner store in the hood, and you know why. If you don't, I'm still gonna show you, so it's okay. Come with me. I think they see my last video because I got something that I want to show you guys. When I tell you they are stocked up on Lafufu's. When I came the first time, a couple of weeks ago, they only had the collab with Coca-Cola. Now they have the macaroon series and they have a C series. Which one should I get? I know I want to have a C and a macaroon, but do I want a Stitch, a Mickey? Which one should I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comment below. Comment below 1 through 6. And there's only 2 macaroons, so I'm just gonna pick the first one. I got box 5. Hopefully it's lucky. I see you still got your job after that bullshit you pulled with me last time, huh? I want these 2. So I know that these aren't real, but however, they are the closest dupes out there. And I recommend this store. And they're only $17.99. I'm gonna get both of them. I put the box back and got this one because it say Popmart in the corner. I think this one might be a little bit closer to the real thing. So the total is $38.95. I know I said this more than once, and I'm gonna say it again. I know that these are not Labubu's, they are Lafufus, but however, 2 items under $40, you cannot beat it nowhere. So I'm gonna open these, and if you wanna see me open it, comment unboxing under this video. So I went back to the corner store today, and I got me some more Lafufus. You know what that means. It's time to unbox. This one is from the macaron series, and this one is from the Have a Seat series. We're gonna open up both of them. Let's go. Starting off with the macaron series, these are the choices right here, and I won't let you be. I'll do with anything, but I won't let you berry. I'm so sorry. I do not know how to pronounce today, but any one of these will be great, but this is the one I absolutely want. I want to give it to my niece as a present. All right, here we go. Starting like this. They say I know it's fake if it come in a bag. I don't know how they really come, but this one do come in a bag, and it has their icons all over it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you first before I see it. Let me rip it open. Ooh, this is a tough one. Which one is it? Which one is it? I did not see. I promise I didn't. Which one is it? Is it the lychee berry? Please tell me it's the lychee berry! Please! Oh! Oh! Which one is this? This is the sea salt coconut, which is cute, and I'm gonna give it away. It does have the swiggle action. It does look like it in the face. It does have the twistable, retractable feet. So I'm cool with this one. It just don't have a hook, but I guess you can still connect it to your bag. That's cute. Now, for the one I'm really most excited for, the Let's Have a Seat series. Again, with this series, these are the options that they have. I want Dada. Let's open it up. Ooh, a little ASMR. You like that? Anyways, let's open it. You guys get to see first. Is it Dada? Is it Dada? Is it Dada? I feel a hook. Let me pull it out. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, the face is smushed in. Hold on, let me reform her. Let me reform her. The face is smushed in, but it's the purple one. That one is Zaza. That one is Zaza. Okay, she's cute. So these are the two Labuboos, Lafufus that I got, which is sea salt coconut and Zaza. I'm happy with them. I would want to go buy some more. Should I? $17.99. I should buy all of them that's in the store. There's only 5 of them left. I think I could stomach it. Until next time. What's up, y'all? Y'all know it wouldn't be me if we wasn't 1 at the corner store and 2 in the hood. Y'all know where we at. My siblings called me the other day and they said, hey, them Labuboos, Lafufus that you like, we got some at a corner store near us. So since I had to stop and get some gas, we already here. I'm finna check them out and I want y'all to come with me. So let's go. This the store we at today, Q-Mark. I'm really am not used to cheating on things that I'm accustomed to, but since my store is out of stock, I feel like for the one time, I can do it today. Wow, the selections are slim to none. They have 3 little ones. They have the Coca-Cola one and they have a seat. I might as well just get to have a seat because I already got the Coca-Cola one and maybe this will be a different color than the one I already have. We in the store. Should I get me something to drink and a snack? I came all this way for Lafufu. I might as well get me something sweet to eat. What y'all think? So I'm standing in line and I'm debating on getting one of these too. Like I know I already have one, but there's supposed to be 2. The reason why I don't want to get another one is because there's only a chance of 2 of them. Y'all talk me out of it, but I think I want one. So how much is the Labubu? $19.99. So that store is a little steeper than the one I'm used to. Theirs was $19.99. My store is $17.99. Hey, those $2 matter. Maybe not to you, maybe not to me, but somebody out there needs them $2. Do you hear me? But I'm happy I got it. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Or whatever Keith Lee say. See y'all in the next video. We back at the corner store in the hood. Y'all know I can't leave it alone. So today, I have another Lafufu from a Have a Seat series. I'm going to show y'all the one that I already have, and then I'm going to pick which one I want before we open this box. So for the people who missed it in the last video, this is the one I have. Her name is Cece. Now, the one I want is this blue one right here. I want this turquoise blue one. This is the one I really want. So let's open this up and see what we get. First, the magic. Now we open it. I'm gonna show y'all first. Make sure I get the one I want or I'm blaming it on you. Y'all made me spend this $19.99 today. Y'all did, not me. Here we go. I'm closing my eyes. I'm looking away. This bag is tough to open, but here we go. I'm gonna show y'all first. I'm not looking. Please tell me it's the one I want. Please, 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 please tell me. I'm opening my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Look how smushed in this is. What in the actual fuck? It's not the one I wanted, but I'm not mad. At least it's the one that's on display on the box. After a lot of fluffing and zhuzhing, she looks like something. Now this one is the name Baba, B-A-B-A. I'm okay with giving it away. Brown is just not the color for me. And I'm a color person. I'm 4 fufus in, and we growing, baby. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.